Back now to our weather alert, and steam blowing off the Fox River in Aurora near the dam, something we saw in Chicago as well on the Chicago River and Lake Michigan today.
Albert's back now, and we have yet another day of these brutal temperatures ahead.
Yeah, and unfortunately, we get about 2 days break, and we have another Arctic blast moving in as we head towards the end of the week. And we could be dealing once again Friday, Saturday, Sunday morning with 25 below zero wind chills. I want to take a step back and show you what we've gone through so far, because there's some interesting notes to take note. 10 below both Sunday morning and this morning. That's the coldest temperature here in Chicago since the big polar vortex that occurred in late January of 2019. And from Saturday night up until early this afternoon, even though it was just brief, we had temperatures below 0 degrees for 36 hours. And the latest look on snow. We didn't get a lot of snow. As you know, last month we were actually in a snow drought, but just in the last 10 days, we have picked up 14 inches of snow. That puts us at 18 inches for the season. And now we have a surplus, 3.5-inch surplus when it comes to snowfall. So we're already outdoing the average for January and seasonal average that takes us all the way into April, around 38 inches. So if we had an average season, we have 20 inches to go, and there's a little bit of snow on the Doppler radar tonight, but it's all to the south of us. A weak disturbance passing to the south may generate a couple of flurries down to the south of I-80, but we're not too excited about anything meaningful in terms of accumulation. Quiet scan on the Doppler radar. We're just cloudy right now with 1 below at both O'Hare and Waukegan. It's 2 below in Aurora, but the big story since this weekend has been the wind chill, and the winds will actually accelerate later tonight and tomorrow as a disturbance passes to the south. So that's why these temperatures right now, it's cold, 18 below to around 22 below. We'll get even colder as we head into tomorrow morning. A snapshot of 6:45 showing the potential for wind chills closing in at 40 below zero McHenry, 36 below zero in DeKalb, 27 below zero in Morrison, even in northwest Indiana as cold as 18 below zero in Gary. Across Chicago tomorrow morning as cold as 27 below zero wind chills. And during the daylight hours, a partly cloudy sky, but with winds coming out of the west gusting to near 30 miles per hour, we'll still at times be dealing with 20 below zero wind chills. Southwesterly wind, though, will bring in a little bit milder air. It's certainly still frigid, but Wednesday will start off cold with temperatures around 20 to 25 degrees below zero. But that southwest wind boosting our high to 16. We'll go 15 cloudy skies, and both Wednesday and Thursday featuring a chance of light snow or some flurries. A small chance at 20%. And then here comes more Arctic air late Thursday, and we'll really feel this on Friday. So Friday, Saturday, and Sunday morning, again, weather alerts posted for the potential for wind chills as cold as 25 below zero. So check the extended forecast. We talked about us being below zero for 36 hours Saturday night up until earlier this afternoon. We're going to be below freezing for another week. I don't have us going above freezing by 1 degree until Monday, and then from there we get into the 40s by late next week. So pipe busting issues, I think that's a thing that may be a big deal around here next week as we start to thaw out for a bit.
All right. Thank you, Albert.
Okay.